I am vlogging from the airport. Oh my god, I haven't vlogged in a while. I haven't posted a YouTube video in a while. I know I haven't posted in like 2 weeks, though I had content to post because I was so busy with my podcast. And yes, I have my own podcast, Brew and Banter. The first episode is already live, but I am at the airport. Where am I going? I don't think I'll keep this like a suspense or whatever, because I think in the thumbnail also I'll like put it only. But wait for a while. Though y'all might already know in case I put it in the thumbnail and the title. But we're at the airport and here is my mother. But I'm wearing like this. I'm wearing like a very chill fit because I wanted to be super comfy because it's a long journey. And look at these nails. I have like matching nails, matching top, matching pants. I'm like this beige and yellow like monochrome person that's roaming around. But anyways, my dad's getting like the check-in done and everything. We're actually really early. Like the flight is much later, but we're really early because my dad has brought us really early. But then the plus point is that, you know, like the check-in and everything gets done faster. There isn't a big line. And then we can just like chill, roam around at the airport. So now we're just sitting and I'm actually like super hungry. So I'm just gonna go and see what is there to eat and get something to eat, because like this is almost my dinner time. I'm a very like early dinner kind of a person. So yeah, I'm here, my mom's here, and my dad's gone to get something to eat. I just got some food. This is what I'm starting with. Just some like bakery stuff and fruits because I am the biggest bakery obsessed person ever. I love it. I just love it. We're on the flight on our way to Dubai. We're just like having dinner now. Actually, just got done with having dinner. I already had a meal at the airport and I again had dinner. But I'm not quite sure if I will be heard a lot. So I might just reach Dubai and then tell y'all where I'm going. Like a little bit more. They'll already know by the title, but a little bit more, and I'll see y'all on the other side. Just landed in Dubai. It is like 11:50 or 12 almost here, like Dubai local time. But I think it's like almost 2:30 a.m. in India. So we caught like a quick nap, like me and my mom in case my dad was watching movies. So I'm a little fresh, but I know I'll get sleepy super soon. We are at the airport and now in a while we'll take our connecting flight, which is to New York. So we're going to New York. I'm so excited for it because I mean, obviously it's New York, right? But in general, we're going to a few more places, which of course I won't reveal right now. Of course not. But for now, we are going to New York. That's why I love Dubai airport, because we literally just took the train, metro, whatever you call it, like it's within the airport, and now we're at our gate already. There is a little bit of a long wait, almost, not a very long wait, just 2 hours. So we're on our second flight now, but it is I think 3 and I'm not sleepy for some reason. Like I'm literally not sleepy. I'm actually excited. Maybe I'll fall asleep once we like depart. Maybe. Just got some pizza. I was sleeping and then I woke up for some warm pizza. I slept for quite some time actually, like quite some time, and now it's morning and that means time for breakfast. Let me just show you all what I'm eating. It's just basically like omelette and fruits and a coffee. Here is the coffee, this is the omelette, of course my favorite, then some fruits, and this is some I think curd along with blueberry. We are landing in 2 hours, like literally 2 hours, so I've just come here to freshen up, put a little bit of blush, you know, just like wash my face and freshen up because it's been such a long journey, so I have to look a little fresh when I land. This is me after I look so much more like lively and energized. We have reached New York. It was a really long flight. It did not seem very long though for some reason, and we have finally reached, and it's like 8:30 here right now. We actually got like one additional day here, but now we're going to New Jersey and explore New Jersey for today, and then we come back to New York and explore New York then for a few more days. So it is a few hours after we reached New Jersey, and now we are just going to go around. We're going to Philadelphia actually because it's really close from our family friend's place. So we're going to go touring first, have lunch, and then we'll go and we'll obviously roam around and go to some really cool and amazing spots. We are at this place called PJ Clark's. It's got like typical like American food, like proper American food. So we're here for lunch before we start roaming and exploring Philly. Okay, so this is the menu and I have ordered the crispy chicken sandwich, and all of us are ordering like the lobster bisque soup and a couple of other things like kala kiri and everything. It's like a proper American restaurant, but all the burgers are actually beef burgers and none of us have beef, so we're gonna skip on that and have like the other chill stuff. There are truffle fries. But first restaurant of this trip.
त्यांच्या कॉन्फरन्सेस वगैरेसाठी इन्व्हिटेशन येतं.
We are done eating and the food was actually nice. Also, I got to know that burgers over here in the US are usually beef burgers, and anything that you order in sandwich, which is like a chicken sandwich, is usually served in a burger form, which is super new to me. And the food was nice. It was a really nice first meal, American, very American, so nice. Say hello to my vlog. Do you want to introduce yourself for my viewers?
Hi, I'm Julie. I'm her dad's friend's daughter.
Yeah, and they live here in New Jersey. So I was telling you all about the family friends. So we're like roaming around with them. They're showing us around. And how was your lunch? Tell the audience.
It was pretty good. I'm quite full actually, and now we have to walk, so it's pretty good.
And she's really sleepy as well because she came like really early in the morning to pick us up from the airport. But even I'm really sleepy because of all the jet lag. But we're gonna have a good day.
Yeah.
So now we're here at the Liberty Bell. Do you want to tell them a little bit of the significance of this?
Of course. So the Liberty Bell, basically it has a crack on it, and the reason why is because when the freedom struggle was happening, that crack kind of represented what liberty and freedom actually meant.
Okay.
And that crack was kind of showing the struggles they faced in trying to chase that liberty and freedom.
So to this day, a lot of people come to
Yeah.
We're now at this donut place called Byler's, which is apparently like a very popular and good donut spot in Philadelphia. So it's situated in like a local market almost. There are a lot of other like burger places, food places, lots of other places, and this is one of those stalls over here. Not a stall really, but like a bigger stall. And we're gonna pick donuts to then take home and have later on because all of us are really full after the lunch. So now we've reached the place and actually the stairs where the Rocky movie shoot happened, and he practiced it over here. That's what I mean. I haven't watched the movie. I should, because actually it's very popular. But that's what they're saying, that I think the practice and also the shoot, either one of them happened right here. And the statue was also there right there. So we were like posing and taking pictures and everything. We are sitting right here on the stairs and look at this view. Like we can literally see the same lanes we drove through. Okay, my dad wants a picture. So I'll take the picture and then continue telling you all. Okay, so basically we were like driving through those lanes, like all of that, like everything. We actually drove through Philly, and now we're just sitting here and we can actually see this entire path and these like beautiful buildings, and it's such a nice location. But it's really sunny and hot over here. It is so hot too, like literally like hot, and my jet lag has started kicking in. Like I sit in the car, I sit anywhere and I'm not doing something, I get so sleepy. But that's what we're gonna do, is that we're not going to sleep anytime before at least like, I don't know, obviously till night, so that we're fine then the next day tomorrow, and then you know we can just like enjoy our trip and not get jet lagged. So today is the only day we have to push, and that's what we're gonna do. I have literally come back home at 6:30 and crashed. It is 7:30 now, and I was feeling so heavily jet lagged. I was feeling so sleepy. I just crashed. I told my mom, please wake me up in half an hour because if you don't, I will sleep and that will not be good. So I took like a good nap, but I'm still like sleepy. I still want to sleep. So then I'll have dinner in a bit and then properly sleep at night. So I'm happy I took like a small nap so that now I might not necessarily feel as sleepy. So Sui and I, we were just driving around and we came to this like proper, like it's very Indian. It's literally like apna Big Bazaar types. You know, it's quite cool.
It's quite brown because it's Indian and Pakistani, so
Yeah.
you'll find a lot of new things which you don't probably find in India. But then I don't know. So.
Because she just wanted to show me the sunset because it's so pretty here. You can see the sun is like almost setting. So we just came for a drive and then we had to get something. So we came to the grocery store too. And now I feel a little awake. I was feeling so sleepy initially, now I'm a little awake. Just look at this place. There's so much space here and both of us are just enjoying the sunset. We can never get this in Mumbai. Like so much open land is like impossible to get. That's why I'm really savoring this. It is the next morning and I am all set to go to New York. We're driving to New York today and then we stay there for I think 3 days. And this is my very cute New York fit. I'm just having coffee now and just walking here. It's actually not that sunny now, so it's really nice. And my father wants me to take his pictures. So I'm gonna quickly end this video. I mean, end this clip and then go and take his photos. But before that, Mama, say hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
It's good morning for us, but it's evening in India right now. Me and my mom are just like walking around in the neighborhood. So everybody, like my family, friends, everybody, my dad, they're all getting ready. And me and my mom are already ready because we thought that we were going to leave a little earlier than we are. So that's why now we're just like walking around, and thankfully now the weather is a little pleasant. The wind is blowing, so we're just going to take a nice walk. We are in New York and we've just reached, and today we are going for the Friends experience, which is basically they've created like a proper set and it's like a tour of the entire Friends set, and it is like a proper experience that they give you. I think it's for 1 hour. But before that we're going for lunch, and I actually wanted to go to Bubby's initially, which is a very popular cafe, but that is a little far, so we're going to another place. We'll just walk around, find a spot to eat there, and then the Friends experience is somewhere close by. We're now at this Mexican spot called Mexique, and we've ordered some mocktails, some lime mocktail of sorts, and we're just enjoying it before our food comes in.
अरे ये मस्त है Should I like hold it? Or?
No. We are done having lunch now at this Mexican spot. My god, like the quesadillas that I had, they were too good, and the others had a bowl and also I think one wrap or something like that, a burrito I think. And it was all so good. It was just like a random find and it was really nice. And now we're walking through this garden actually, and we're on our way to the Friends experience. We have a booking already, so really excited to get there and for the entire experience, because I must have said this already, I love Friends. We are outside the Friends experience and we're gonna go in some time. Funnily so, we literally saw like the Central Perks board or whatever, and we entered, and they're like, the experience ends here. Like, we just entered the exit only first, but anyways, we're gonna go in now and the experience will start soon. We are in here. The experience starts in I think 20 minutes. We're just like waiting here before it starts. We have entered. Oh my god, I can't control my excitement. We got like the cutest pictures clicked on the couch, and now we're inside. These are all the outfits of all the characters along with like their most famous quotes. So Ross says we were on a break, which is like his iconic dialogue, and Joey of course says how you doing, couches here. We are now moving down to continue the experience. So they showed a few of the outfits. We took a picture on the couch, of course, and now the experience continues like downstairs. So here are all of their costumes, like the most iconic costumes. This is I think this is Monica. Then you have Chandler, and that up there, it's like the Chandler, Geller and Bing wedding thing that's kept. And over here you have a couple of other things, and then Joey's costume as well. Pivot! Look at this, the stairs and the famous couch, of course, and all of the cool facts are written right here. We took like a few videos saying pivot. It was too cool. So there are like quotes from all of them at like various different spots. We have now come to like the Las Vegas, the infamous Las Vegas wedding sort of a spot of Ross and Rachel. So we can click all like pictures over here, and it basically says this, and then basically the episode wherein they got married is playing here. And then again there are various outfits of different occasions of these people, like very popular outfits that they've placed here. Oh my god, I cannot believe that I'm literally in Monica's apartment. Like, this is like exactly the same. Like, it feels like I'm in Friends, like I am in Friends. Who is in Monica's kitchen? Who is in it? Me. And I just want to show you all the eye to detail, like all of this. Even this clock is right here, like literally every detail is so specific. Also, Rachel's famous dish is right here. Now I'm going to show you all like the table. This is the table, and this is like outside area. This was Monica's room. So the purple wall, the very famous purple wall. Apartment number 20, Rachel and Monica's apartment. This is my dream. Like, I'm living my dream right now. We are in Joey and Chandler's apartment, the very famous chairs, and then their yellow sofa. Oh my god. I'm literally sitting on Joey and Chandler's sofa, you guys. The couch is actually so comfortable. Not the couch, like the chairs. Oh my god, they're so comfy. I want these too. This is Gladys. Whoever watches Friends knows who Gladys is. These are Phoebe's like quirky portraits. One year, this taxi, and then very soon we will go inside Central Park. We are on the couch. The very famous Friends Central Park couch is chilling here, guys, waiting for our coffee order. We just got done with the Friends experience. It's right behind. It was so much fun, like literally, and especially if you're a Friends fan, like a die-hard Friends fan, you will literally go like crazy, because it's so much like my entire like sort of emotion towards this is just fun and energetic and happiness, and that's all. It's just too good because they've kind of recreated each and every iconic spot. There are a lot of like cool facts as well, which makes it so much more cool, right? And now we're here, and now these guys, so these are our family friends, they will leave, and our other family friends are coming in, so it's going to be super cool. And then at night we're going to Times Square, and we're going to continue the day. So for now, we're going to go back to our hotel, get changed, and then Times Square at night. So we chilled in the room for some time, and then I changed into like a dress. I'm wearing a jacket because it's a little windy. But we're going to Times Square now, and we'll have dinner there only. Mostly like some falafel place, let's see. But we're walking there, and it's almost like 20-30 minutes from where we're staying. So all of us are just walking now. We are in Times Square. It is so lively, like I can't believe it. Like, look at this. It's literally like so lively, full of energy. It's 10:30 here, but it's all just like I don't know, it's just like fully like what I've seen in pictures to real life, and like it's all like everybody's just out here, energetic. It's so crowded. That's actually so good. This is like peak New York, like it's like the proper New York, like the proper vibes So cool. Now we're just walking like these stairs here. We're now at this kebab spot, like a very local, like just a stall basically. There are a lot of such trucks, like food trucks almost everywhere, like literally everywhere here. So I'm having the chicken gyro. So we've ordered like chicken gyros and kebabs. We are done having dinner. I just had the gyro, as I told you all. It was nice. It was a nice, good meal. It's actually almost 12 a.m. now. It's midnight. So we are now walking back home. And I'm I am definitely going to continue
Sounds
the
miserable.
rest tomorrow. So we came back from Times Square yesterday and I was so tired. Like I was literally beyond tired because we came like literally after midnight and the entire day we were traveling, enjoying going to like all of these places. So we had like amazing gyros and kebabs at this like almost like a food truck sort of a thing, and there are too many of those in New York, so it was really nice. And then we came back and now I'm gonna end this vlog because I'm gonna start another vlog. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe and be ready for all the fun New York vlogging and content and just like me exploring the entire city and showing it to you all.